The question number 1. At higher levels of development, which sector of the economy contributes less to the GDP? Option number D, agriculture sector. Question number 2. Which one of the following is the major feature of the Indian economy? Option number C is the right answer, a mixed economy. Question number 3. Which sector promotes modernization and stable employment in the economy? Option number D, industrial sector. Question number 4. Which of the following documents provides a framework, rules and regulations for the setting up public and private industries in India? Option number A, industrial policy. Question number 5. Which of these is not the reason why final goods are called so? Option number B is the correct answer. They are the last to be consumed. Question number 6. Which of these is a component of the tertiary sector of an economy? Option number D, hotels and restaurants. Question number 7. How many industries were listed in the Schedule A of Industrial Policy 1956? Important question. Option number B, 17. Question number 8. In migration, the factors which cause people to leave their place of residence or origin are called? Option number C, push factors. Question number 9. Which among the following statements is incorrect? Is incorrect. Option number A, industrial securities market is also known as the glitch edge market, is not correct. So the next question. Question number 10. A free market economy is a crucial aspect of? Option number B, capitalism. 11. Name the two states in which land reform was successful. Name the two states in which land reform was successful. Option number B, West Bengal and Kerala. Question number 12. In the Industrial Policy Resolution of 1948, which of the following was not the monopoly of the government? Option number A, iron and steel. 13. Income and employment theory is the other name for which branch of economics? Option number D, macroeconomics. Okay. 14. Dash is defined as the study of behavior of the individual decision-making units such as consumers, resource owners and farms. And that is option number A, microeconomics. 15. What is the relationship between interest rate and demand for money? Relationship between interest rate and demand for money. Option number B, inverse. 16. Money supply is a dash concept. Option number A, stock. 17. If there is a fall in the demand of a good, the equilibrium price is expected to? Option number B, fall. 18. Which of the following exchange rates is determined by the market forces of demand and supply? Option number B, floating exchange rate. 19. Competitive behavior and competitive market structure are dash related. Option number B, inversely. 20. Which of the following goods needs further transformation in the economic process? Option number C, intermediate goods. 21. Factor cost is also known as? Option number C, ex-factory cost. 22. Import substitution strategy is commonly called? Option number D is the right answer, inward looking trade strategy. 23. The consumption of fixed capital is also known as? Option number A, depreciation. 24. Commercialization of agriculture is an indication of? Option number D, marketable surplus. 25. A higher dash index reflects inequality in income distribution. A higher dash index reflects inequality in income distribution. Option number B, Gini index. 26. While estimating gross domestic product, the monetary value of only final goods are considered because A, its immobility, the active economic flow is ended. B, of the issue of double counting. C, the value added at each stage of the production process is included. And option number A is the right answer. Only B, of the issues of double counting. 27. Why are the wealth taxes and gift taxes treated as paper taxes in India? Why? 27. Option number B. They do not generate much revenue in comparison to others. Question number 28. The CSO adopted the concept of gross value added in option number B, January 2015. 29. What is the net investment? Option number D, gross investment minus depreciation. 30. Which of the following is an example of a non-tax revenue source for the government? Non-tax revenue source for the government. 30. Option number E is the right answer. Fees and fines. 31. What is subtracted from GDP to arrive at NDP? Net domestic product. Option number B, depreciation. 32. Which of the following is a correct statement? Option number D, national income is NNP at factor cost. Important. Okay. 33. In which of the following situations does the government run a deficit budget? Deficit budget. Option number B, when the government expenditure exceeds revenue. Expenditure exceeds revenue. Okay. 34. Which of the following option best describe the primary cause of the per capita income decline? Option number B, increase in the population growth. 35. The financial year in India starts from 1st April and ends on option number C, 31st March. 36. Which of the following is the correct formula for calculating NNP? 36. Option number A, NNP is equal to GNP minus depreciation. Question number 37. Dash at market price refers to the sum total of factor incomes earned by residents of a country during an accounting year including net indirect taxes. 37. Option number A is the right answer. Net national product, NNP. 38. National income at constant prices means option number B, income estimated at base year prices. 39. Which cost is considered for calculating the national income in India? Option number B, factor cost. 40. What is the use of net national product? Option number C, to calculate per capita income. 41. Price control and rationing are direct control measures to check inflation. Option number C. 42. Taxes like gift tax, wealth tax, etc. are also referred to as which type of taxes? Option number B, paper taxes. 43. If tax rate decreases with increase in taxable base, then this type of taxation is called option number A, regressive tax. 44. Which of the following options represents the total income earned by individuals from all the sources before deduction of personal income taxes? Option number B, personal income. 45. Which of the following is the correct formula for calculating net indirect taxes? Option number D, indirect taxes minus subsidies. Okay, minus subsidies. 46. Expenditure of the government on health facilities, education, and fixed asset acquisition is termed as. Option number C, capital expenditure. 47. Which of the following is an example of a non-debt capital receipt in the government budget? Non-debt capital receipt. 47. Option number A, sale of government owned land. 48. Which of the following method is used to calculate national income by summing up the total spending on final goods and services in an economy? Option number C, expenditure method. 49. NDP at factor cost plus net factor income from abroad is equal to option number B, NNP at factor cost. 50. According to David Ricardo, during a high deficit situation, taxation and borrowings are dash means of economic spendings. Option number C, equivalent. 51. Dash is the income of the government which arises out of the property left by the people without a legal hire. Option number A is the right answer, estate. 52. In the estimation of national income, which of the following items will be subtracted from NNP at market price? Option number C, net indirect taxes. 53. CBIC stand for? Option number D, Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs. 54. Which country first introduced zero-based budgeting? Option number C, the US. 55. Exports of mangoes by India is a part of dash method of measurement of its national income. Is a part of option number C, expenditure method. 56. Revenue expenditure minus revenue receipt is known as option number A, revenue deficit. 57. Which of the following is an example of direct tax? Option number B, income tax. 58. GDP deflator is equal to option number D, nominal GDP by real GDP into 100. 59. Dash expenditure and dash receipt are shown by the government budget. Option number D, estimated expenditure and estimated receipt are shown by the government budget. 60. Duties levied on goods produced within the country are dash. Excise taxes. 61. If the value of gross fiscal deficit will be more than net interest liabilities, the value of gross primary deficit will be dash. Option number A, positive. 62. When was the direct tax code bill introduced in the Parliament of India? Option number A, 2010. 63. Which of the following organization of the government of India has been reporting the GDP at factor cost and at market prices? Option number C, National Statistics Office. 64. Which type of tax acts as an automatic stabilizer in the economy? Which type of tax acts as an automatic stabilizer in the economy? Option number D, proportional income tax. 65. Who among the following headed the National Income Committee? Option number A is the right answer, PC Mahalnavish. 66. The difference between a farmer's output over and above his on-farm consumption is known as? Option number B, marketable surplus. 67. Dash is a tax system that collects a greater share of income from those with high incomes than from those with lower incomes. Option number D, progressive tax. 68. In which year was the Sri Mahila Seva Sahkari Bank established? Option number B, 1974. 69. Which of the following institution has contributed mainly in improving the economic status of the poor women in rural area? Option number C, self-help group, SHG. 70. The working group under the chairmanship of Dash in the year Dash proposed a new intermediate monetary aggregate to be referred to as NM2. Option number B, Dr. Y.P. Reddy, 1998. 71. The term microfinancing was first used in the 1970s during the development of Grameen Bank of Bangladesh, which was founded by? Option number A, Muhammad Yunus. 72. What is the primary aim of regional rural banks in India? Option number C, development of rural economy. 73. The central office of the Reserve Bank of India was initially established in which present city in 1935? Initially established in which present city in 1935? 73. Option number D is the right answer, Kolkata. 74. Rotating Savings and Credit Association, ROSCA, was introduced by Shirley Ardener in the year Dash. Option number A, 1964. 75. The velocity of circulation of money will be higher when the dash is less than the requirements of the economy. Option number A, demand for money. 76. Which of the following banks is in charge of India's banking and monetary system? Option number B, RBI, Reserve Bank of India. 77. If the value or percentage of the cash reserve ratio falls, then the value of money multiplier dash. Option number D, rises. 78. Who issued guidelines for the microfinancing institution in India? Microfinance institution in India. 78. Option number D, Reserve Bank of India. 79. Dash is an instrument under the liquidity adjustment facility left at which RBI lends to commercial banks. Option number A, repo rate. Very, very important question. 80. Which of the following microfinance institution was established in India at the time of independence? It is also the important question. Option number C, rural cooperatives. 81. What is the main function of the money in an economy? Option number C, to facilitate exchange. To facilitate exchange. 82. Which of the following is an example of a microfinance institution in India? Example. Option number C, ICICI Bank. 83. What does the term overdraft mean in banking? Option number C, short-term financing facility. 84. Who gave the concept of money illusion for the first time? Irving Fisher is the right answer. 85. Which of the following committees was constituted to study the issues and concern in the microfinance institution in 2010? Option number C, Malagam Committee. 86. Dash is a legal declaration of a person who is unable to pay off debts. Option number A, bankruptcy. 87. Which one of these organization issues 1 rupee currency notes and coins in India? Option number C, Minister of Finance. 88. Open market operation conducted by the Reserve Bank of India are dash types. Open market operation. 88. Option number A. Two types. 89. Dash is the money which is accepted as a medium of exchange because of the trust between the payer and the payee. Dash is the money. 89. Option number B is the right answer. Fiduciary money. 90. The regional rural banks were established on the recommendation of the dash on rural credit. Option number D. Narasimhan Committee. 91. The clean note policy was announced by the Reserve Bank of India in the year. Option number B. 1999. 92. In which year was the Securities Appellate Tribunal established in India? SAT. Option number B. 1992. 93. In which year was the State Bank of India created following the passage of the Imperial Bank of India into state ownership? State. Option number C. 1955. 94. The Reserve Bank of India also acted as the central bank for till April 1947. Option number A. Burma. For Burma. 95. Which of the following is an example of private sector industry in India? Option number B. Tata Iron and Steel Company. 96. Which of the following is a joint sector industry in India? Joint sector industry. Option number D. Oil India Limited. 97. Which of the following institution conducts the survey of employment and unemployment? Option number D. National Sample Survey Organization. 98. In 1992, which organization launched the Self-Help Group Bank Linkage Program? Option number B is the right answer. NABARD. 99. Rural Employment Generation Program REGP was launched in which year? Option number D. 1995. 100. Which 5-year plan primarily focused on Garibi Hatao initiative? Option number C. 5th 5-year plan. 101. The Harrod-Domar model was the main idea behind the dash 5-year plan. Option number B. First. 102. Which of the following years were considered plan holidays in independent India? Option number C. 1966 to 1969. 103. During the second 5-year plan, how many integrated steel plants were set up with foreign collaboration? Option number B. 3. 104. Which industrial policy marked the beginning of the liberalization in the Indian industry, reducing the restriction on private companies? Option number A. Industrial Policy 1991. 105. Which of the following sectors in India faces seasonal unemployment? Option number A. Agriculture. 106. The Suresh Tendulkar Committee was formed in 2005 for dash. Option number C. Poverty estimates. 107. The main worker is a person who works for at least dash days in a year. Option number D. 183. 108. In which year was the Foreign Exchange Management Act FEMA enacted to replace the Foreign Exchange Regulation Act FERA? Important. All these questions are important. Okay. Option number A. 1999. 109. What is the main objective of Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act FRBMA 2003? Option number C. To reduce fiscal deficit. 110. The Companies Act dash is an act to consolidate and amend the law relating to companies. This is the last question. Option number C is the right answer. 2013.